Hey there, drone enthusiast. Today we got something truly incredible to show you. We're taking the DJI Mini 4 Pro to the ultimate test in a strong interference and a chaotic urban landscape. Can it really travel 3 kilometers without losing signal? Let's find out. Our trusty DJI Mini 4 Pro is all set to defy the odds in this challenging environment. It's equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure a smooth flight. Look at this! We're right in the heart of the city, surrounded by skyscrapers and a maze of signal interference. The Mini 4 Pro is handling it like a champ. Now the moment we all been waiting for. We're pushing the limits, folks. Can the Mini 4 Pro really reach 3 kilometers without losing signal? Incredible! We have hit the 3-kilometer mark. And guess what? The signal still rocks solid. The Mini 4 Pro is smashing expectations. Call our view. The Mini 4 Pro's 4K camera is capturing every detail of this urban beauty, even from this distance. And just like that, the Mini 4 Pro is back in our hands, concluding an absolutely mind-blowing flight in the heart of this chaotic city. Drone enthusiasts, if you're amazed as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible drone adventures. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has once again proven its mental, its strong interference, and the most chaotic urban landscape. Stay tuned for more epic flights and adventures. This is just the beginning.